southwestern Cooke County in north central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north central Texas, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sanger, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sanger and Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch around 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois around 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pilot Point and Aubrey around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Salina around 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gunter around 12:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Van Alstyne, Howe, and Dorchester around 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ethel, Tioga, Roadrunner, Oak Point, Lois, Elmont, Providence Village, Ponder, Stony, and Lake Ray Roberts. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 485. Interstate 35W between mile markers 79 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 457 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. The current time is 12:02 p.m.